Did you know that a single cup of blueberries contains more antioxidants than almost any other fruit or vegetable? That's right. These tiny berries pack a powerful punch when it comes to cleansing your body and supporting your health. Blueberries are often celebrated for their sweet taste and vibrant color, but their real magic lies beneath the surface. Scientists have found that blueberries contain special compounds that help your body fight off harmful toxins and keep your internal systems running smoothly. Today, we'll explore just how you can harness the power of blueberries for a quick, effective detox that can be done in just 60 seconds. Let's start by addressing why a detox might be necessary in the first place. In our modern world, we're constantly exposed to toxins, whether it's from the food we eat, the air we breathe, or the products we use. Over time, these toxins can build up in our bodies and contribute to a wide range of issues. You might notice persistent fatigue, headaches, bloating, skin problems, or even trouble focusing. These are all signs that your body could be struggling to manage its toxic load. While our organs, like the liver and kidneys, do an amazing job of filtering out waste, sometimes they need a little extra support, especially when overwhelmed by stress, poor diet, or environmental pollutants. This is where the blueberry detox comes in. Imagine giving your body a refreshing boost that helps flush out harmful substances and leaves you feeling revitalized, all in just a minute a day. But what makes blueberries so effective at supporting the body's natural detoxification processes? The answer lies in their unique nutritional profile. Blueberries are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and, most importantly, antioxidants. Antioxidants are molecules that combat free radicals, unstable atoms that can cause damage to cells and contribute to aging and disease. The most famous antioxidant in blueberries is called anthocyanin, which is also responsible for their deep blue color. Anthocyanins have been shown to reduce inflammation, support heart health, and protect the brain. But their detoxifying power doesn't stop there. Blueberries are also high in fiber, which helps keep your digestive system moving and ensures that toxins are efficiently carried out of your body. Additionally, they contain vitamin C, a nutrient that supports the immune system and plays a key role in the body's natural cleansing mechanisms. The combination of fiber, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants makes blueberries an ideal candidate for a natural, gentle detox. So, how can you take advantage of these benefits without spending hours in the kitchen or investing in expensive detox programs? The answer is surprisingly simple. A quick and easy blueberry detox recipe that you can prepare and enjoy in just 60 seconds. Here's how you can get started. Begin by gathering a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries. About half a cup is all you need. Add them to a blender or a small bowl. Next, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Lemon adds an extra dose of vitamin C and helps stimulate your digestive system. Then, pour in half a cup of cold water or coconut water, which helps hydrate your body and flush out toxins. For an optional boost, add a teaspoon of chia seeds or ground flaxseed. These seeds are rich in fiber and healthy fats, further supporting your body's cleansing process. Blend all the ingredients together for 30 seconds, or simply mash them with a fork if you don't have a blender on hand. Pour the mixture into a glass, and you're ready to go. The result is a refreshing, tangy, and nutrient-packed drink that delivers a burst of antioxidants, fiber, and hydration, all in about a minute. Not only is this blueberry detox recipe incredibly easy to make, but it also fits into any routine. Whether you enjoy it as a morning pick-me-up, an afternoon snack, or a healthy dessert, you'll be giving your body the support it needs to naturally cleanse itself and maintain optimal health. Let's recap the benefits. By incorporating a blueberry detox into your routine, you're providing your body with a powerful combination of antioxidants to neutralize harmful free radicals, fiber to keep your digestive system running smoothly, and essential nutrients to support your immune system and energy levels. Over time, you may notice improved digestion, clearer skin, reduced bloating, and increased vitality, small changes that add up to a big difference in how you feel every day. The best part is that this detox doesn't require deprivation or drastic changes to your diet. Instead, it's about making a simple, delicious addition that complements your regular meals and gives your body the extra support it needs. The natural sweetness of blueberries, combined with the zesty kick of lemon and the nourishing base of coconut water or water, makes this detox drink something you'll look forward to enjoying. If you're looking for a gentle, effective way to help your body reset and recharge, give the blueberry detox a try. Remember, your health is an ongoing journey, and small, consistent habits often make the biggest impact. By choosing foods that naturally support your body's cleansing processes, you're investing in your long-term well-being, one delicious sip at a time. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the blueberry detox and its incredible benefits. If you found this information helpful and want to discover more tips for healthy living, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're here to support you on your wellness journey, one step and one blueberry at a time.